Alright everybody, we got a little video for you. I'm going to tell you what, before I show you what's here, our friend Corey Thibodaux, CarpetMuscleTV, he decided that we needed a Challenger pad driver. We didn't buy one, we've never had one. He loves them, a lot of people love them. He's into the Challenger bonnets. Of course he's a Challenger dealer, but he's into using the Challenger bonnets, and he thought me and Joe would like to have a Challenger pad driver. It's all Velcro, and we use the original pad drivers that are spiky. So guess what? Corey, unbelievably, he sent us a care package. He sent us 5 Challenger bonnets that'll fit on the Oreck, and I'm going to tell you, these are plush. I mean, I've had some nice bonnets before. These are very, very nice. He says they're double or triple ply, and they may very well be. They're very thick. They're well made. They got a label on them. See if that shows that. But they got a label on them. These are very, very extremely nice bonnets. And he sent us a pad driver. This is their pad driver. It's made out of wood. They make it on a lathe or whatever at the factory. Challenger does, and it'll fit in place of an Oreck pad driver on the bottom of an Oreck. It's got Velcro. The thing about pad drivers is, I've tried to make these in the past, and you can't keep the Velcro sticking. You put it down, the Velcro comes with adhesive, and it'll always start peeling up as you rip the bonnets off, especially when you get them wet. This is stapled or nailed, but it's stuck in there and it will not come out. I don't know the poundage of Velcro. I use 5-pound Velcro when I make mine. This is probably 5 pound. Everybody uses these things and they love them, so I know they're good pad drivers. I haven't tried it yet. It just came in the mail. Just came from FedEx. This is an awesome pad driver. This is the pad driver that Oreck sells you. And there's a lot of you who own Oreck, you know all this, but if you're getting ready to buy an Oreck and you've never seen, this comes in the box with an Oreck. And this pad driver, it's got teeth on it, and believe me, it'll grip a bonnet to the point where it's a death grip. You're not going to get a bonnet to slide off this thing when you're using it. It's on it, and it works really good with the Oreck bonnets that you buy off Amazon. They're polyester, it works great, and won't tear them up. Now, if you use these kind of bonnets, that Oreck pad driver is very, very harsh on them. It'll shred them up as you pull them off the pad driver. You don't want to use them with the Oreck pad driver. If you're ordering an Oreck, it'll come with that pad driver. You want to order this as well. And when you want to order this, it's a Challenger pad driver. You order it from Corey Thibodaux. We're going to put a link to Corey Thibodaux in the video, and a phone number and everything else, so you can contact Corey. This is where you get the stuff. But Corey is a very generous guy. He mailed us this, and you know what? We're going to start using it all the time, and we already fell in love with it, and I haven't even put it on the machine yet. It's brand new. It's well made. Look at this thing. It's made out of wood. I figured they'd be kind of heavy compared to the Oreck pad driver. They're heavier, but not heavy. They may be twice the weight. They're not going to put no strain on your machine when you turn it on. No startup strain, no running strain. They're great, and we're going to use this all the time. And we got to say thank you, Corey Thibodaux, man. You're the greatest. We love you for this. It's just awesome that you'd give us something like this. It's a neat little gift. Now, Joe, do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, I'll put his information in the video description. And he likes people to text him, not try to call and talk to him. He's always working, and he doesn't always have time to answer your calls. But if you message him, he'll see what you kind of want, and he can get back with you. And as far as pricing on all this stuff, we didn't actually purchase this. It was a gift. He did get it from Challenger and had him send it to us. So as far as what it cost, I'm not sure. And the prices could be subject to change. So contact him if you want to get some more information.
He'll tell you the prices when you contact him.
Yeah.
Now, me and Joe, we've never used these bonnets before, but I'll tell you right now, we're going to get into the whole Challenger thing for the Oreck Orbiter. We love these things. We can already tell they're nice. I don't have to use one to know it works.
Well, if you're going to use anything but the stock Oreck bonnets, which we used for years and years and years, and they work fine, but if you're going to use anything but the stock Oreck bonnets, I've been recommending for a long time people go to something like this, because trying to make your own pad driver by filing down the teeth and putting Velcro on it,
that is a hard challenge.
It's a pain, and you got to figure out a way to glue them on there or something, and then the Velcro always wears out.
It always peels off.
Yeah, and then you got to change it, and it's a real pain in the butt, and you have trouble all the time. This is ready to go right out of the bottle.
The nice thing about this, if you wear the Velcro out, which I'm sure you will eventually, you just pull the Velcro off. You can go to the store and buy any Velcro you want.
Yeah, you can ask Corey if they have extra Velcro you can use.
And since this is wood, you can buy Velcro you can buy. You can put it on there as thick as you want, and you can staple it so it will not come loose. Because the staples keeps the Velcro.
I think Challenger has
down.
more Velcro if you.
They may.
When you wear it out, if it gets to where it doesn't stick anymore, and you got to like use a brush or something and get all the fibers and stuff out.
But if you have to buy it at the store, you can get this stuff at Walmart, Home Depot. You can get strips, or you can get big old pieces of Velcro, and you can replace this on your own. Once you get the driver made out of wood, and the Challenger pad drivers, they last for years and years. I know Corey's had one for 10 or 12 years, so these should last like for a long,
everything
long
wears
time.
out. We're going to try to make some videos with these in the near future. Try them out. We're going to try them out a little bit and compare them a little bit, and then we'll start making some videos with them. So
as soon as we get a chance, a lot of our jobs you cannot film.
Yeah, we've been running.
We may be 2 or 3 weeks from now before we can actually make a video. Although we may be using the same a lot.
We don't try to make videos all the time like we used to, and a lot of times in the customer's house,
it's too
easier.
dark, or the customer's weird, or don't want you doing it.
It's too much trouble sometimes to ask them if they mind if you video in their house. So we don't do it all the time, just once in a while.
But that's how it looks, and that's how much it overhangs.
So stay tuned.
So it'll go up against your baseboards.
Yeah, but stay tuned to our channel. In the future, we'll show some more videos with these things in use. And just check that video description.
And one more thing. Thank you, Corey Thibodaux. You're the best. We appreciate you.
It's really cool of him to do that. I mean, I'm not sure if that's probably 60, 70, $80 worth of stuff, maybe.
It costs
maybe even
money.
close to 100, but it's nice of him to send it out to us. And we appreciate him for it. And he actually sent us 3.
Oh yeah, he sent us
3. They were slightly used.
They were slightly used, and he sent us looks like a direct mop sales microfiber.
Yeah, we're not sure where he got the microfiber from.
But I think that's where he buys his
But it's stuff that, with this pad driver, you're not going to have to worry about. We wouldn't put it on our original pad driver because it would tear it up. But on this one, it should work.
But with these bonnets and the ones you sent, we've got 8 Challenger bonnets already, which will do a lot of work. So
I hope you guys enjoyed that. And, check with Corey about getting these things for yourself. They're pretty nice products. And, you got 50-50 cotton polyester bonnet. I mean, that's going to do a pretty good job.
Look for the link in the video description. It'll be right to Corey.
I'll put his phone number. He doesn't really have a link that you can get a hold of him at too easily, but I'll give you his phone number.
Don't call the guy. He likes text messaging.
Just message him. Well, anyway, that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.